All right, this video is special thanks to the folks over at UNBREAKcable. They were nice enough to send me this iPhone, this lightning to USB cable that's 2 meters and is black. So I'm just gonna go through an unboxing for you guys and show you exactly what this cable looks like. So let's open this on up and let's see what we have in here. Just a straight cable. And that's it for the box. So a nice little instruction guide, although probably won't really be necessary. And then this, wow, this is a very nice cable. So this is the Lightning USB cable. So it even has a nice little UNBREAKcable tie here for tying up the extra cable. They even branded it here, UNBREAKcable, and a little UNBREAKcable logo there. So very nice. Now this is a 2 meter cable. How many feet is 2 meters?
2 meters is approximately 6.562 feet.
So it's a 6.5 foot lightning cable, and it is braided. And in case you don't know, if you have pets or anything, braided cables are much better around pets because they can't really chew through them as easy as they can a regular cable. Regular USB-A on this side and lightning on this side, so perfect for your iPhone, your iPad, your iPod, whatever product you have. That'll do it for this unboxing video. Again, special thanks to UNBREAKcable. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.